My name is Kimball Parker. This is my wife, Jill. We've been married for 37 years and have 4 beautiful daughters and 10 grandkids with another one on the way. Life has been good to us, and let me just tell you a little bit about the Make Your Future story. 15 years ago, I was selling variable annuities and life insurance, and business was good, and I was making or had some discretionary money, and I thought, well, hey, the market's great. I think I'll get involved in day trading, but I looked at something that was bigger than the stock market. Yeah, a business or an industry that traded $4 trillion a day, and that is the futures, or is often referred to as the commodities market. And I got involved. I purchased some systems, and even though the stock market was going up, I just couldn't seem to make money trading futures, and lost money, and probably spent about $20,000 on systems and just couldn't make money. Now fast forward to 2009. At that time I was 56 years old, but I was unemployed. And it's tough to get a job when you're 56 years old, and I wondered, how will I survive? I didn't want to go back to selling insurance and annuities, and I thought, well, you know, the commodities market's huge, and there are people that are making money at it. So I purchased another trading system and found it didn't work either. And then I just, in desperation, I thought, you know, I've noticed some patterns that have repeated themselves again and again for the past 10 years, and I developed these repetitive patterns into a system that worked for me, and it worked so well I thought, man, I want to share this with the world. So in 2009, I developed or started a company called Make Your Future. And Make Your Future is a company that teaches you how to use our proprietary trading tools to trade futures contracts. If you can tell the difference between red, green, fuchsia, or is that kind of a purple? I don't know. Fuchsia we call it. And blue, you can actually make money. You do not have to be an experienced commodities trader to do so. We do have a lot of pros that use the system, but this was developed for people that have never traded commodities or futures before. Now, our proprietary system that exists nowhere in the world is based upon colors. So you see a blue colored candle, that tells you that the market's going up. And so we come in and we place our order that the market will go up, and we're in the market. It took us about 5 minutes to get into this trade, and we're going to trade that the market's going to go up. And our profit line is set there, and boom, out we come with $250 profit on that one trade. Now we're trading with multiple contracts, and you can see now we've got a fuchsia colored candle, and this is going to close with just a little purple triangle down there, and you can see the red line is what we call a stop loss line. We never trade without a stop loss. That fuchsia colored circle showed that we were told to make a trade there. Now we've got another fuchsia colored candle telling us that the market's going to go down, so we're going to come into the market again on this fuchsia colored candle, and we're already in another trade, and so now we've got 2 trades together. We're going to combine the profit lines and going to combine the stop loss lines, and don't be concerned if this doesn't make a lot of sense to you, because you'll learn these things, but it's color driven, and fuchsia colored candles tell us that the market's going down, and we can make as much money when the market goes down as when the market goes up. And we're rarely in a trade more than just a few minutes. You can see now we've made $500 in less than 30 minutes trading. And you can do this from your home, and all you really need is a computer and a fairly decent internet connection. The defaults are always in, 2 ticks of profit. Our stop loss line is up there. We never trade without a stop loss. That's your insurance policy. And there is another trade for profit, $750 in less than an hour's trading. The system works 2 hours a day. Do you feel like you've been slugged in the face? Many of us feel that way, slugged in the face by life. You're probably sitting here thinking, hey, could this be real? Could this be true? And the answer is it is real. And if you have a computer, as we mentioned, and a decent internet connection, in just 2 hours a day from 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time to 11:30 a.m., you can make money. We invite you to look into becoming part of Make Your Future. Thank you.